So you have 10 million people, 99% of them, whatever, are quite stressed. They're working long days. They're stuck in traffic. A lot of people are in jobs they don't like. They're in traffic for an hour or two each way. They're under financial pressure. They're crowded in together, either on the train or on the bus or on the highways. Everybody's got a smartphone, a laptop, a personal computer. So if you have 10 million people, that's 10 million smartphones. I don't know how many millions of Wi-Fi signals going all around you. So you are suffocating electronically. There's just so much electronic noise, electronic pollution. Now we're sitting here in Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. We're 40 kilometers from the nearest city. There's Wi-Fi in my house, that's it. And we turn that off in the evenings. So all you hear is crickets and a few birds, and later at night maybe we'll hear an owl. That's it. So the sound is much more pure in the country. Mm-hmm. And the number of electronic devices is much, much lower. Mm-hmm. So when you're in a city like that, you do it day after day, year after year, you become that energy. So you see how stressed people are in Bangkok, for example, compared to here in Chiang Mai. Mm-hmm. Or for any other city and country in the world. You know that city people are just more tense. They're under more pressure. They have to walk faster, drive faster, mm-hmm. be more competitive. That's life in the big city. But when we're talking about our spiritual path or our emotional and mental well-being, all of those things start becoming problematic, which actually brought Mai and I up here to Chiang Mai 10 years ago. After living in Bangkok for the previous 20 years, I thought, okay, I'm a Reiki teacher, I'm a meditation teacher, I write poetry, I love nature, but I live in a city of 10 or 15 million people. And it's shoulder to shoulder all the time. And you get home, and my wife, she would often say, the first thing I'd walk and say, hi, honey. She goes, take a shower. Like, not that I smelled so bad. I smelled so bad, but I'd gotten used to it. I'd be there on the big road, and you get used to that smell. Mm-hmm. Then you take the shower, and you realize it's the energies connecting to you, too. Mm-hmm. Now, that's quite abstract. That's not something I can sit here and prove. But I can challenge somebody, if you sit down to meditate after coming home out of the city, is one type of meditation. Do the same thing, come home, have a shower, put on a fresh set of clothes, and sit down and observe the difference. And people will see for themselves, like, it's much easier to meditate once you're out of the city, you're at home, you've got a few plants at the house, or you're with your cat or with your dog. You might have a Himalayan salt running or some, essential oils. Right. He's like, wow, I'm in the city, but now I'm in my own sanctuary of my home.
Mm-hmm. So what you're saying, you encourage people to create this own little sanctuary at their home.
Very much so. In their own homes and in their own hearts, which is why so many chapters emphasize meditation, exercise, and turn off your smartphone. Put the laptop away, turn off the computer, turn off the television. Sit there. We could sit here and listen to the crickets. It's amazing. Right. It's amazing whether it's the crickets or the birds or whatever other animals are around.